Alright, let's talk about Blush, the AI dating simulator that promises to help you practice your flirting skills. Because nothing says dating pro like practicing on an AI that's never going to reject you, right? So, what is Blush really? Is it your personal relationship coach, or just another money grabbing chatbot pretending to be your perfect match? Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll know if this app is actually worth your time, or if it's just another virtual love story with a catch. Blush is sold as a safe space to experiment with romance. You meet AI avatars, go on virtual dates, and flirt to build confidence. Sounds cool, right? Well, the app's creators claim it's a judgment free zone where you can practice communication and explore your desires. But here's the catch: while the avatars might look lifelike, the conversations can feel well scripted. It's more like a game than real relationship practice. Users on Reddit are divided. Some love the low stakes practice, others say the AI's memory is limited, and a lot of cool features like premium characters are locked behind paywalls. So, if you're experiencing deep, real world emotional growth, you might want to lower those expectations. Here's the real deal: if you're looking for a fun way to flirt without the pressure, Blush could be a decent distraction. But if you're hoping it'll transform you into a dating guru, you're probably going to be disappointed. Treat it like a game, not a life coach. So is Blush legit? Maybe, but it's not the miracle dating app it promises to be. If you're cool with lighthearted, paid simulations, go ahead. Just don't expect it to fix your love life. Stay skeptical and keep looking for what really works.
And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.